Such a wonderful day. What else could make it better? A barbecue. Yeah, that's right. I feel like the only thing that can make my day better is a barbecue. A perfect chicken and vegetables barbecue. Actually, it's one of my first times. It's my third time I'm doing a barbecue. Usually I just watch people do a barbecue and I'm just there to eat. But this time I'm doing it all by myself, me and my mom. So yeah, it's looking all good, nice and shiny. It looks extremely appetizing. I felt like I'll just eat it right off the grill. But otherwise, it's just beautiful. Do you see this weird sticks? I just DIY'd them straight up. And either way, I'm wearing a glove just to protect myself from the heat. My mom kept telling me to like get it off, but I feel like it's just saving me from it. But anyways, there is me being an absolute, I don't know, whatever. But like, yeah, that's all good and chill. Everything looks very nice and clean. And yeah, after that, at 7:30 p.m. we all devoured it with a couple of soft drinks, and that's the end of the day. There's a second batch of this chicken though. So yeah, thanks guys, thanks for watching, see you later.